Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are test driving Peugeot Boxer 67 plate, which came with multiple DPF Adblue related problems. Now the problems has been solved. So we are doing test driving. How does your van feeling?
It feels good. It's a lot more responsive again. In low revs, it's feeling nice and smooth. I'm very happy.
You're happy?
Very
Can
happy.
you see black or white smoke?
No, can't see any smoke.
We'll be turning left here, by the way.
Yeah.
So are you happy?
I'm happy.
Excellent. Another happy customer from Moorhouse Garage Limited, -supremedpfcleaning.com. We are located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango, November 16 to Echo Tango. We are specialized on DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues. We are also Ghost Immobiliser Fitting Center and Quantum Tuning EC Programming Center. My telephone number is 07533636194. Please call me with any above problems with the masters. Thanks for watching.